Namaste, Kushro Vidya. Today's topic is CBR program influencing on promotion and developing public policy. Government rules. Several international documents are available to help and guide government to set up structure that will benefit people with disabilities. It is the challenge of every government to use these documents to create legislation appropriate to their own setting according to the need and wishes of the people concerned. In Uganda, the World Programme of Action concerning persons with disability was found to be a very helpful guide, and beginning of the 1990s it was decided to promote the development of CVR program as a machine mechanism for facilitating a holistic approach to disability. The government of Uganda has undertaken support of marginalized groups, including persons with disabilities, by formulating supported policies with the constitution and local government act. As a result, there is now representing by people with disability as at every level of government. This creates the structure and level of participation that enable disabled people to develop their own solution with the framework of the existing system. Other strategies include the introduction of universal primary education, which encourage parents to send their disabled children to school, facilitate a move towards inclusive education. A CBR is usually initiated by a stimulus from outside the country by a ministry or non-governmental organization. Whether the interest organization from inside or outside the community, it is important to ensure that resources are available and community is ready to develop and implement the program. It is neither expected or nor possible for the ministry, department, local authority or organization the initiation a CBR program to implement every component the CBR matrix. It is essential that they develop partnership with the different stakeholders responsible for each component of the matrix. To develop a comprehensive program, each sector should be encouraged to take responsibility for ensuring that its program and service are inclusive and respond to the need to person with disability. Geographic coverage. CBR program can be local, regional, or national. The type of coverage will depend on who is implementing the program, what the area of intervention are, and all the resources available. It is important to remember that support is needed for people with disability and their family as close as possible to their own community, including rural area. Resources are limited in most low-income countries and concentrate in the capital of big cities. The challenge of CVR planner is to find the most appropriate solution to achieve an optimum quality of service as close as possible to people homes, given the reality of the need and existing resources in the local solution. Management of CVR, setting the mission and vision of CVR program, identify need and available local resources, define the role and responsibility of CVR personnel and stakeholder, developing a plan of action, mobilizing resources of program implementation, providing support and guidance of CVR program managed. Thank you.